Good morning, Srikrut. This is the work to your tongue, okay? You need to taste and say the food item. Okay? Now open your mouth. No touching. Ah? Yes, good job. No touching. No touching the hand key. Once again open your mouth. Taste and identify the food item.
Apple.
Good job. Good job. Make it fast. Done? Another food item. Another food item. Just open your mouth. Taste and say. Taste. Take your own time.
Apple.
Is it apple? What is that?
Yeah.
Good job. Open your mouth. What is that? No touching. What is that? Is that cashew nut? No. Taste it. Taste and say. Taste it again.
Mango.
Very good. Good job. Open your mouth.
Christmas.
Good job. Open your mouth. No touching hand key. What is that? Badam. Good job, Srikrut. Clap yourself.